of genetics in determining sexual orientation and political opinions indicates a significant biological foundation for behaviors that have traditionally been perceived as driven by social or cultural factors. This observation stimulates a critical discourse on the balance between free will and biological determinism in human conduct. Hormonal fluctuations can notably affect behavior, as observed in various scenarios, such as menstrual cycles influencing mood and brain tumors altering aggression levels. Understanding this integral connection between hormones and behavioral manifestations is essential for a comprehensive grasp of certain actions. Legal defenses have increasingly turned to biological explanations for violent conduct, exemplified by the notorious Twinkie defense, which attributed erratic behavior to an addiction to junk food. This case illustrates the complex intersection of biological factors and legal frameworks in interpreting human behavior. The administration of anabolic steroids is associated with heightened aggression and violent tendencies in users, thereby underscoring the profound impact that physical substances can have on mental states. This vital link emphasizes the necessity of considering physiological influences when examining behavioral outcomes. Physiological states, including relaxation and variations in heart rate, significantly affect cognitive processing and emotional responses. This relationship poignantly illustrates the intricate interconnectedness of mental and physical health, highlighting the importance of considering both dimensions in behavioral analysis. The act of categorization serves to simplify the complexity inherent in biological and social behaviors, thereby rendering them more digestible. This cognitive strategy reflects our efforts to manage and make sense of the intricate fabric of human interactions. Linguistic diversity reveals that different languages categorize sounds uniquely, which subsequently affects memory and recognition capabilities. This variation showcases the complexity of categorical thinking as it manifests in everyday experiences and interactions. The ability to distinguish between closely related sounds, such as B and P, underscores the critical importance of precise categorization for effective communication. Misunderstandings can easily arise from categorical oversimplifications, illustrating the nuanced challenges of language. In academic contexts, the construction of grading boundaries often incites anxiety among students, highlighting how arbitrary categorizations can distort perceptions of performance. This boundary-driven mindset can obscure genuine similarities among individuals. Categorical thinking frequently reduces the complexity of relationships, leading to misunderstandings about the intricate connections between various facts. This tendency can significantly affect our capacity to perceive the broader implications within behavioral studies. The lecture accentuates the necessity of analyzing behaviors through a multifaceted lens, incorporating biological, environmental, and evolutionary frameworks. Such a holistic perspective facilitates a more profound understanding of the fundamental causes underpinning human behaviors. A comprehensive understanding of behaviors mandates an extensive examination of diverse influences, including hormonal levels and sensory stimuli. This intricate exploration reveals the complex interrelations between biological mechanisms and behavior. The dynamic interplay between genetics and environment plays a pivotal role in shaping behavioral outcomes. Both elements are critical to development, challenging oversimplified categorizations and urging a more nuanced understanding of these interactions through an evolutionary lens. Historical perspectives from behaviorists illuminate prevalent misconceptions regarding the extent of environmental control over behavior. This demonstrates the limitations of such perspectives in comprehensively understanding human psychology, thus advocating for a broader analytic approach. The discussion reflects on prominent figures in psychology whose flawed perspectives about behavior were notably exemplified by John Watson and his behaviorist methodology. Their reductive ideologies often overlooked the complexities inherent in biological influences. Although Konrad Lorenz gained recognition for his discovery of imprinting in birds, his association with Nazi propaganda ultimately diminished his legacy. This complex duality illustrates how significant scientific contributions can coexist with ethically questionable beliefs. The lasting influence of scientists such as Lorenz reached beyond academic circles, extending to educational practices and societal norms. Their misguided ideologies resulted in considerable harm and the devaluation of countless lives. The video introduces the Wellesley effect, demonstrating how human behaviors can parallel animal behaviors, thereby implying biological foundations in social interactions. This connection reinforces the necessity of critically evaluating biological explanations for human behavior. The striking genetic similarity between humans and chimpanzees, who share nearly identical genomes, highlights both our biological commonalities and our distinctive cognitive capabilities. This genetic proximity serves as a foundation for the diverse spectrum of human behaviors. The physiological repercussions of mental exertion, as observed in contexts such as chess tournaments, reveal that cognitive processes can elicit substantial physical responses. This observation stands in contrast to typical animal behavior, where such intricacies may not be as pronounced. Humans possess the unique capacity to experience stress and empathy for individuals distant from them, including members of different species. This remarkable emotional depth distinguishes humans from other animals, underscoring our complex social nature. Accessible to all students, the course has no prerequisites, which fosters an inclusive learning environment that accentuates the importance of understanding behavioral biology across various academic backgrounds. To support students lacking a robust foundation in biology, catch-up sections will be available. These supplementary sessions are designed to ensure that all participants can effectively engage with the course material during lectures. The curriculum incorporates readings from influential texts, one of which challenges conventional viewpoints on understanding complex behaviors. Such material encourages students to adopt innovative perspectives within the realm of biology. In an effort to foster engagement with the material without imposing financial burdens, students will gain access to a variety of online papers and readings, eliminating the necessity of purchasing textbooks. Regular sections led by knowledgeable teaching assistants will be integrated into the course framework. This structure is designed to promote deeper learning and provide enhanced support for students navigating the content. All lectures will be recorded and made available online shortly after their conclusion, accommodating students who may miss portions of class due to scheduling conflicts. This approach ensures that all students have access to the full range of course content. Teaching assistants often encounter significant challenges associated with the rapid grading of numerous assignments. To alleviate their workload, the course will incorporate multiple choice questions, which offer a more manageable and efficient grading strategy. The midterm examination aims to evaluate students' comprehension of fundamental concepts across various disciplines. This assessment strategy encourages critical thinking, moving beyond mere rote memorization of isolated facts. The final exam will diverge from the midterm by necessitating a deeper synthesis of interdisciplinary connections. Students will be required to integrate knowledge from multiple fields in their responses, reflecting a comprehensive understanding of the course material.